So please join the Freelance Fast Track Challenge. I'm so excited to go live with you guys twice per day. So I want to share with you what is going to be included in this challenge, what you're going to be learning. I'm taking the day off because yesterday was so many calls and I want to start taking care of myself better and giving myself that time off. So before I go to the pool for the day, I just want to hop on here and share with you the agenda. The welcome party starts at 2 p.m. on September 10th. Okay, so join the welcome party. That's going to be like day 0. Day 1, it's going to be all about mindset. Okay, so it's going to be about getting unstuck, how to make sure that you are keeping the momentum going. We're going to set tangible goals on day 1. Okay, now let's go to day 2. Day 2, we're going to be crafting your irresistible freelance offer. We're going to create a freelance offer that ensures that you stand out from the crowd and that the client immediately knows that you are the right writer for the job. On day 3, we're going to master the art of customized cold pitches. I'm going to be sharing a template with you. You're going to have a workbook with that template, but I'm going to share with you what works about the template so that you can put it in your own voice and not come across as robotic, right? We want this to be really natural, and you need to understand how cold pitching works, why it's effective, and how you can make it work for you. So you're going to have all of that broken down. On day 4, you're going to be able to identify where to find your dream clients, right? So where are the higher paying opportunities? You need to know where to find them, right? Day 5, we are going to create a freelance business action plan. So you are going to walk away knowing what steps you need to take. You're going to see your entire freelance business plan laid out in front of you. You're going to be able to take action, and it's going to feel a lot more doable for you because you'll have the mindset that we learned on day 1, but then you'll be able to see in a very tangible, real life way how you're going to put all of this into action. And once you see it on paper, you're going to understand how this can work financially. So this is my official invitation. If you have not signed up for the Freelance Fast Track Challenge, I really implore you to take advantage of this because it's an event that I'm only holding maybe twice per year. It's live, something I don't normally do. I'm going live twice per day where I do the teaching. You hop into the group, you get the community support, and then I come back for a live Q&A where I get to answer your questions and interact with you and all that good stuff, right? So like I said, today is my day off. I'm headed to the pool. But I want to make sure that you register for the Freelance Fast Track Challenge because it's an event that you're not going to want to miss. It's 5 days long, and I'm officially melting, so I have to go. Have an amazing day. Thanks for joining me, and please join the Freelance Fast Track Challenge. Bye.